Welcome. Interesting background, isn't it? Yeah, anyway, in this video I'm going to give you 5 things you can do to get some side income as a developer, as a software developer, or if there is anything else that you have tried and it worked, just leave it in the comments below, I guess. So yeah, let's discuss the first thing, and that's freelancing, of course. So freelancing is like you go to a website, you provide your services, a client comes, or maybe you send proposals to a client to do their job or their project, and you do it and you get money. Simple as that. But it's not that simple actually. There is a lot of competition. There is really a lot of competition, especially if you're working on websites like Fiverr. Fiverr does not have any verification process, so you're literally working with the whole world against you. It's a very, very fierce competition. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have any successful projects on Fiverr. I don't have any projects on Fiverr, to be honest. But on Upworks, yeah, on Upworks I've got a little, I've got some projects. It's very interesting to see. Upworks has a very, very strict, verification process. So in Upwork, you have to be a very, very good freelancer, or at least meet their expectations of what a freelancer should be. In that, when doing that, you get accepted to the platform. If you don't, you get rejected. The second thing, interesting, content creation on YouTube. So I think this was very obvious because there are really a lot of developers. And if you have seen this meme where the developer goes from "I want a job, here is my curriculum vitae" to "welcome to my YouTube channel," this story is very, very familiar for me, I guess. Well, not really. I'm still studying, so yeah, it's kind of relatable, I would say. But yeah, content creation is a very, very big thing you can do, especially if you have value to add. Not like me. I'm just randomly taking my tripod, putting a phone on it, and just speaking to the microphone. Though, to be honest, it's very hard to get monetized or to get money from this, because you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and that's very hard to get, especially if you're a developer. Creating tutorials takes 20 million hours, and posting them takes 20 million other hours, because the internet here is very slow, unless you have some good upload speed. But yeah, unless you have some good upload speed and some very, very insane value to add to YouTube, I'd recommend YouTube for everyone. I wouldn't call myself an avid reader, or a book reader at all, or reader of anything besides code actually, or maybe even my blog posts. But writing an ebook is the third way you can get some money, especially if you have. The same thing goes for writing books as doing YouTube. You need to have some value to add. If you don't have any value to add, writing an ebook is less, or it's more forgiving than YouTube, because YouTube you have the algorithm, but in the in the ebook space or book space, there is no algorithm, just your added value and the quality of the content you are providing. So yeah, in YouTube, even if you provide high quality content, it's up to the algorithm to decide what to do with you. But when writing an ebook, you might be lucky and get and become a bestseller. Who knows? Okay, so the third thing that I did, or I tried doing at least, is blogging. So what is blogging? You create a blog, you post content on it, basically articles, and if people read it and they see ads, or there are a lot of ways to monetize a blog, but ads are the main way. But if people see your ads, you get some money. Though it's very hard, to be honest, to get audience for your blog. I've tried. I didn't get past 60 readers per month, and 15 of them is me, 14 other ones is me on my phone, so that leaves 30, and most of them are bots, because I have 20,000 comments per month appearing randomly. So yeah, it's very hard, especially if you have if you are using WordPress. I used WordPress, and that was the biggest mistake I did, because there is no protection against bots, and you just get 20 million comments every single day from bots. promoting their like virus links and stuff like that. Okay, so let's finish this with the last thing you can do, and that is creating an online course. So this might sound like repetitive. I know a lot of YouTubers say that if you create an online course, you can get money, or maybe they recommend it as a way of passive income. And I'm going to do the same. Creating a course is something you can easily get money with, especially when posting on Udemy. And let's be honest, it's very similar to YouTube. If you don't have any value to add, or if the market is very, very saturated, you really won't get a lot of views, and you just get destroyed. It's no views, no people buying your course. It's a little bit more forgiving because courses take a long time to make. So if you put a lot of effort, and if you are very fast, like the last technology that appears randomly these days, you can just take it and make a tutorial for it. If you're very fast and you're the first one to do it, you can easily like get a lot of a lot of students and make a lot of money. So yeah, these are my ways, or my 5 recommended ways of getting side income as a developer. I hope you like these videos because they take a long time to make, especially editing, because I don't know, I'm just tired of editing all these videos. Anyway, I hope you like these. See you next time.